Hi guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. In today's video, I'm making a natural hair dye and treatment using henna and avocado seed, 1 tablespoon of clove, 4 pieces of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of coffee. Boil the ingredients for 10 minutes, then let it cool and add 3 tablespoons of henna. Leave it rest for 24 hours. Henna is full of antioxidants, which help to improve hair growth. Henna dye shampoos and conditioner all work to achieve fuller, thicker hair strand. These antioxidizing properties are protective at their core, fighting against hair loss in vegans and vegetarians, as well as sun damage from UV rays. Avocado seed is antibacterial and antifungal properties help fight dandruff and deeply condition and revitalize your hair, providing shine and softness, helping to darken gray hair with frequent use.